Hi, I'm Erin Dougherty.
And I'm Busby.
We own Distinctive Design Build Remodel, and we believe homes should be beautifully designed and built to last. I'm the principal designer for our company.
And I'm its general contractor. We will take your project from the conception to the completion.
Distinctive design, really what sets them apart from other builders is their attention to detail. For a lot of homeowners, it's scary. And so making it kind of as seamless and kind of straightforward as possible is really what sets a good builder apart, and that's what Distinctive Design does.
Like the team within seems to be well connected, well put together, and has a clear vision of how they're going to get from A to Z. The quality of what they're giving to the homeowner is also something that is unparalleled, something that is very distinct.
When I got out of high school, I actually started working for my father in the construction business. I did not want to go to college. I was one of those kids that wanted to, go straight to work.
When I was in high school, my dad and my stepmother, they remodeled and renovated a series of properties, and it was always fascinating, and I just was always in awe of the transformations.
I got to Charlotte. Things were on fire here. I decided that if I didn't open my business, I would never do it. So in 1997, I opened Distinctive, and the rest is history.
As a husband and wife design build team, the advantages of working with a team like that is you get really personalized service. We have the same values in terms of how we want our business to be run and how we want our clients to be treated. There's really no disconnect between design and construction because we're literally married. Those two are married together.
I married my partner. She's my partner in life. She's my partner in business. And I wouldn't want to be in business with anybody else.
He needed help with design work. I didn't have a lot of confidence that I could do that, but he kept encouraging me. Now I'm a certified kitchen and bath remodeler, and that's one of his gifts, is he really encourages people.
She doubted herself, but she came around. And look at her now. She's designing some beautiful things. So I was right.
We determine, what degree of design does this project need, and then we basically act like the coaches of a team, and we bring all the right players in. When you boil it all down, our trade partners are people that I would feel comfortable having in my own home.
We're members of NARI, National Association of the Remodeling Industry. They vet their members very well. With that, there's some education. You can hold designations. I have two. One is Certified Remodeling Project Manager, CRPM. And the other one is a Master Certified Remodeler.
What I really, really enjoy is going back, and once I get the final pictures and I see the afters and I put the befores, and I'm like, wow, look what we did. Isn't that cool? It's just very gratifying to be able to see that we are able to turn ugly ducklings into swans.
I really like working with my hands. That's what kind of fuels me to this day. I love doing what I do. What I'm doing changes every day. Maybe just a little, maybe a lot. And I get to see the customers' eyes light up when they see that change.